Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to show you the last of our digital files that are now on sale, 80% off. There is like 10 days left, 8 days left, and the store will be closed forever. And so I just thought I'd show you that. So it's like the special collections right now, so Christmas, fall, and then we had come up with, I think 5 different collections, so we'll show you that right now. So if you are a December daily person, or document December every year, these are perfect for that. These are peppermints, but they have like the daily numbers, so, and you have in the white font and the black font on the same sheet. And it comes in all our colors. So if choose different colors throughout the month every day, then you have those. And also we have some without any numbers, and different sizes, so that you can use them on your regular layouts too. So these are the peppermints, and I think they come in 2-inch size, and I think they come in big massive size, so then you can use them as a photo mat. So that is the peppermints. Then we have the deer. We have the little deer head, and then we have the little walking deer, and then we have the Santa head in all different sizes. And then even in the time of the pandemic, we had done some with the masks on and all the different sizes. Now, someone was asking, how can I make sure that it's in my currency? If you go way at the bottom, like as soon as you hit home, if you go at the bottom of the site, it has that you can choose your country there. So automatically it'll change it to your currency. And 2, the bundles on the site, they show it 50% off, and everything else shows full price. The price changes once it's added to the cart. So let's say the bundle was $42, it says 50% off $21. When you add it to the cart, that's where it's going to be like $5 or whatever 80% of $21 is. Okay, so I hope I answered those questions. I can't answer all the emails right now. We have some pretty heavy stuff going on, and I mean, it took me almost 2 weeks to get this video out, and I was like, you're closing the store in like less than 10 days, so you need to give people a chance that if they want this, that they can get it. So then we have the poinsettias in all the different colors, and then we did the traditional red and green. All the other ones are, like 2 tones of the same color. And then we have the regular poinsettias in the red and green. So that's the poinsettias. And then we have, I think he's my favorite, the little snowman. It's called Build a Snowman. So we have the little snowman, and then he's got all these accessories. I wish we would have expanded on that and, did accessories like a little sled and, that kind of stuff. But, it is what it is, but at least, it has the little different hats, so you can put him with a top hat or with a toque and a scarf and mittens. And yeah, I really like him. And we have him facing the 2 directions, so that depending where he is on your layout, you can have him facing towards the center of your page. Then we have this Christmas gnomes. We have the ones with the Christmas lights. I think it's so cute and all, I think those come in our assorted colors, and I just think they're so cute. And then these ones here, they just have little reindeer on his hat, but in all our assorted colors. So super cute. And then we have the Santa gnomes in all the assorted colors. Super cute. The Santa gnomes. And then we have the Christmas bulbs. So we have some Christmas bulbs, you know, just with decorations, some with a little bird inside, and all, you know, the different color families or assorted. I don't know which one comes with which, but you'll be able to see that there. Another one of my favorite, I think, is these poinsettias. I just love those. And they come in all the different sizes, including the mumbo jumbo. And then the Christmas gifts. We have a few assorted Christmas gifts. We have the tall and skinny. We have them in different colors. Maybe four or five different Christmas gifts. And then what else is in here? Just the Christmas bulbs. And then they come in the mumbo jumbo size too. And what I like those for, again, is to, you know, use them as photo mats. So I like those. And one thing that I forgot to mention with the other, like the regular digital files, I forgot to bring in the scrapbooking words. So I think we have scrapbooking words 1 and 2. And these are great for like just adding in your clusters, right? All words related to memories. So scrapbooking, cherish, love this. We have 2 different ones in all of our colors. But then we also have some that are, so we have scrapbooking 1 and 2. And then we have fall words. And this is the fall words. So we have like sweater, weather, and happy harvest, apple cider, together, cozy, pumpkin patch. So we have one for fall, and we also have one for Christmas, and it'll probably come at a later time. So we have scrapbooking words 1 and 2, and then fall and Christmas. This one here are all different leaves and all different sizes. And again, if you print them on different papers, then you get, you know, different tones. So you could even print those, like I got these and printed them on vanilla, and the colors just come out a little different. Or you can print them on vellum or on sticker sheets. You know, the options are endless, you know. And then we have apples, fall apples. So we have the bigger apples with happy face, or just regular apples. I think those just come in a few colors. So we have the apples. Then for Christmas again, I didn't put this in any particular order. I'm just happy that I got up here and got it done. So we have, what are those called? Snow globes. We have one with Christmas tree, one with Santa in all the different sizes, one with a snowman, and then we have one with the reindeer. And then we made some too. They're probably not in here, and I might have showed them in previous one. Oh no, they're right here. The Valentine's one with the 2 puppies. Those are so cute. And once you cut them out, if you put glossy accent on them and let them dry, they actually look like a snow globe. It's so cute. He did such a good job on these. So those are the snow globes. Oh, here they are. Here are the Christmas words. So again, in all our colors and all to do with Christmas words. Then the next one is trees. And I really like these for December daily especially, but you can use them in any layouts for sure. So we have the plain trees, which I really liked, and then we have the Christmas trees, and we made them in different stages so that if you wanted to do a page of decorating the tree, that you could put, you know, without the star on top. And I think one of them, it's not even decorated. So you could put the different stages of the tree, even with your embellishments, you know. Undecorate it, start it to decorate, and then the tree is fully decorated. So those are the Christmas trees. And I think this one is just some more of those Christmas gnomes. And I think I got all, you know, the specialty stuff, but I might have forgotten some stuff. So just go look on the website NicoleJones91.com, and under digital prints, and everything is there. Now our specialty collections, the way I printed these is for the silhouette, but there is a PNG file that you can just print out and cut out, but it is ready to cut out with your silhouette. And I can show you, I have cut hundreds of packages like this with all of them, and they cut out perfectly. I just love them. But if you don't have a silhouette, and he also put the blackout option in there so that if you have a Cricut, you can make your own files, so that you can cut it out with your Cricut. Okay, so the first one is Springtime Garden. And also just showing you like this, it's hard to see all the elements, so I thought I would bring this out so you can see everything in there. I just love this collection so much. I mean, it has everything you need to make scrapbooking pages about your garden, including garden beds and your tools and even your gloves and your boots. And, you know, always your dog or your cat maybe coming along with you, even some flags, a little sign, your hat, and then even some of the finished, you know, products that you end up with at the end of the year. And then, you know, if you also do flowers, we did a little bit of flowers. So that is the Springtime Garden. I didn't have a full sheet of the Halloween one. You can also like bring down the size and, you know, cut a smaller size. I have to say this small a size, it'll do it, but it's, you know, one, it takes a long time, and two, it has more potential for error, but you could make them, you can vary the sizes, you know what I mean? Like maybe do 3/4 of a page, so then you end up with different sizes of, like once you bring it into your Silhouette software is what I'm talking about. So you can end up with different sizes of the elements. So this is our Halloween collection, and I just absolutely love it. We have the little witches, and we have them flying both directions. You have your black cat, the cat with the hat, the boots, the pumpkin, the moon. I love these. You can cut them in half, put them on the side of your layout. We have the spiders, the potion, the creepy moon with the bats, and the RIP. And one of my favorites is the cauldron and the witch's broom. So I love this collection. Then we did, it's all on one sheet, but again, I was doing sticker sheets, and I was doing cutouts for because we were going to start selling physical products, and we just decided to close the store just because with everything that's going on in the world. So, and in our life, in our world too. But here are the flowers. I just love these. Love them. We have them, you know, in all different colors. And again, because you have the Silhouette file, you can, you know, cut it out in the full sheet like those ones here, or you can make them a little smaller and have a different variation of the sizes of your flowers. So these are the springtime flowers. And then we have a flutter birds, and I absolutely love these two. We have, what we did was we did kind of a little research of the birds of our area, and we did a few of those birds, and of course we had to have chickens because I love chickens. I've said that so many times. And so different sizes, and even, you know, the little eggs and even the little bird coming out of the egg. Love that. I love the mama bird and her little birdie. I love that. So that is flutter birds. And then we did a flutter bugs, and I love these too. So you have butterflies and dragonflies and bees, and I mean, I don't like hornets, but it's a reality, right? And I don't like mosquitoes, but they do haunt our camping areas. And bees, I love bees. And we added more of those bees on the flutter bugs so that you could, you know, print some more than just the few that are in the garden collection. So I love this collection too. And the very last collection that I'm going to talk about is the camping collection. And again, we are big campers, so I wanted a camping collection, and I wanted like tents and the hiking boots and the walking sticks and sunglasses and a campfire and trees and mushrooms, and of course, you know, nature. So bears and deers and foxes and bunnies and hummingbirds. Love hummingbirds. And then paw prints, boot prints, trees, rocks. Love, love, love that. So that's it. So our store will be closing on June 30th, probably at midnight. And it will be closed forever. And right now it is 80% off. And I want to thank you. I want to take the time to thank you for your patronage over the years. And I really appreciate every single one of you. Oh, and just another thing too, all my classes are 80% off too. And they won't be available anymore once it closes down. And again, I've received all your emails. Once my life can kind of like, once my brain can comprehend, I guess, or not comprehend, but just deal with everything that's going on, I will start combing through the emails. And we're still, the thing is, we're waiting for some results, and so the stress is really up there. And she also got another diagnosis. So anyway, if you want any of the digital files, NicoleJones91.com, and we will be closing on June 30th. And thank you so much for watching.